Welcome to this essential training on SIRE Item 4.4.2, focusing on search and rescue transmitters, or SARTs. SARTs are crucial components of the global maritime distress and safety system, designed for emergency use at sea to help locate survival craft or distressed vessels. There are two main types, radar SARTs, which operate on the 9 GHz X-band frequency, and ASSARTs, which transmit messages via the automatic identification system, including GPS position. Radar SARTs respond to a radar signal by transmitting pulses that appear as a line of 12 dots on a rescuing ship's radar screen. ASSARTs, a newer version, continuously send out their own message with GPS position, speed, and status, visible to ships or aircraft equipped with AIS receivers. SARTs are essential for saving lives at sea, enabling rescue teams to pinpoint the location of those in distress. Their use is mandated by the International Maritime Organization under SOLAS Chapter 3/6 regulations. All passenger ships and cargo ships of 300 gross tonnage and upwards must carry at least one SART, while ships over 500 gross tons require two. Preparing for a SIRE inspection involves several key steps to ensure SART readiness. First, check stowage locations. SARTs must be easily accessible for rapid placement in any survival craft. On ships with free-fall lifeboats, one SART should be stowed inside the lifeboat and another near the navigation bridge. Ensure proper labeling, verifying clear operating instructions, and a visible battery expiry date. The device should also indicate its current mode, such as ready, on, or testing. Verify that the SART is equipped with a buoyant lanyard, neatly bundled and firmly secured to the SART, but not tied to any part of the vessel. Review maintenance records in the GMDSS logbook for periodic inspections, self-tests, and annual performance tests. Marine orders require radar transponders to be inspected, tested, and have their batteries replaced at manufacturer-specified intervals. During a SIRE inspection, surveyors will assess several aspects of SART readiness. They will check if officers are familiar with SART operation, including self-tests and procedures for accidental activation. The SART should be armed, ready for automatic activation, capable of floating freely, and free of visible defects or damage. Surveyors will also review records to ensure periodic inspections and tests have been carried out as required. Common issues leading to negative observations include expired batteries, which is a frequent finding. Incomplete records of periodic inspections, self-tests, or annual tests can also result in negative observations. A lack of crew knowledge regarding SART operation, maintenance, or testing procedures can lead to a negative assessment. Finally, the absence of the buoyant lanyard is another common ground for negative observations. SARTs must meet specific technical standards to ensure their effectiveness. They operate on the 9 GHz X-band radar frequency, and their battery must provide 96 hours of standby and 8 hours of continuous transmission. SARTs should be easily activated by unskilled personnel, with mechanisms to prevent inadvertent activation. The device must withstand drops from 20 meters into water and remain watertight at 10 meters depth for at least 5 minutes. They're designed to operate in ambient temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius and withstand stowage from -30 degrees Celsius to +70 degrees Celsius. When interrogated, the SART transmits a response appearing as a line of 12 dots on the interrogating radar system's display. The installed SART antenna should be at least 1 meter above sea level when activated. Regular testing and maintenance are crucial for ensuring SARTs function correctly. Monthly checks include visually inspecting the casing for damage, ensuring the lanyard is bundled, and verifying the battery expiry date. Perform a functional test by holding the switch in the test position. Annual performance tests require a dedicated SART tester to measure frequencies, output power, signal duration, and frequency sweep number. Always replace the SART battery at manufacturer-specified intervals or if it's beyond its expiry date. By understanding these requirements and maintaining vigilance, ship personnel can ensure SART readiness and successfully navigate SIRE inspections.